In this video, me, my wife Ruby Ann, my cousin John, and my cousin Earl are loading the RAV4 down, and we're driving to Garden City, South Carolina. There, we will be meeting up with Captain Thomas, and he's taking us deep sea fishing. Let's get to it. So we hopped on the boat, and he drove us 20 miles out into the ocean, and this was definitely an experience for us. We went so far out in the ocean that you could no longer see land. And the first thing I noticed, everything was the color blue, the dark blue color of the Atlantic Ocean, and all the different colors of blue in the sky. And even Ruby's face was turning blue from being seasick. After about an hour boat ride, we finally made it out to our fishing spot. And the poles were set up for bottom fishing. We used squid as bait, and our rig had a big sinker on the bottom of it. That way the squid would stay on the bottom of the ocean. Nice job, Joe.
Probably be a little bit short, but it's a start.
Good job, Bubby. How you tell when it's a bite and when it's just bouncing?
I'm fishing in Quebec.
No, it ain't a fish. It's just the weight. Right before this clip, Captain Thomas just got done telling us not to set the hook when we feel a fish bite because their mouths are so soft that the hook will just rip through its mouth. We just need to reel the fish in and the hook would set itself. Watch what happens.
Is that another one?
Yep. You got another? There's a fish. Oh, it got off. Yeah, you did. I'm sorry.
Bad habit.
Bad habit.
Like a Bassmaster Classic?
Yeah. Bad habit. That's a fish.
No, it's still on there. It's still on.
Is it?
It's not. Get off. Nope.
It's there? What's that?
White grunt.
A white grunt. That's awesome. I just reeled that time. I didn't set look.
See what happens?
Yep, I see. Big difference. Yeah, I got one on. Big difference. I don't know if I'm gonna get it up.
I'm a sea bass.
Sea bass.
We need the bigger one.
I'll take anything.
Not this guy you want.
Well, not take him home, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
I'll catch anything.
Fun to catch.
Yeah.
I think you do. Yeah.
Do you?
She does. Yep, she got something good.
Yeah. Oh my God. What you got?
Keep reeling. Keep
I'm
reeling.
trying.
Just keep reeling. Oh.
Don't get my line, boo.
You got it. There he is right there. I can see it.
What in the world have I done?
Got you a trigger fish.
Trigger fish. What in the world?
If he's legal, he's one of the best eating fish out there.
Wow.
Oh, do you know if it's legal or not?
I'm gonna measure him and look. I'll
Okay.
let you know. It looks like he will be.
That's awesome.
Yay.
He put up a fight.
Trigger fish.
Yeah.
Try to push this down. Can't do it,
Oh,
right?
no.
Until you hit his trigger.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that cool?
That is.
That's awesome.
Yay.
Hopefully he's legal.
He could be just a touch short.
Oh,
Dang.
you got
Something.
do you?
Oh my God.
Hold it up.
I'm trying her hand.
Oh, monsters.
Wow.
That guy should be legal.
Ta-da.
That's awesome.
Try to put the first keeper in the boat.
Oh, that one's a keeper?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I mean, he ought to be.
Okay.
Get a measurement on this guy.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yay!
First keeper, Roby Ann.
Yes.
I don't think it's a fish. Yeah, it is. Is that a sea bass?
What it is.
What is it?
Another sea bass.
Is that keeper?
Short.
Still fun to catch.
Oh yeah.
After being out on the mighty Atlantic Ocean, I can honestly understand why songwriters like Jimmy Buffett write countless songs about the ocean. The ocean is full of adventure, excitement, fear, amazement, and most of all, life.